Hey, in this video, I'll show you how to change the screen timeout on Windows 10 in just a few clicks. Let's get started. Click the Start menu, go to Settings. Select System. Then click on Power and Sleep from the left-hand menu. Now you'll see two main sections. Screen controls how long the screen stays on. Sleep controls when your device goes into sleep mode. Under each section, you'll find options for on battery power. Set it to 5, 10, 15 minutes or even never. When plugged in, choose a separate timeout for when your device is charging. Pick the times that work best for your needs. And that's it! You now have full control over when your screen turns off automatically. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and check out more Windows 10 tips on the channel. See you in the next video.